Bu is called stomach. Bu is called stomach. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you part of the body in Ogoni because it is necessary. It is essential that you should know parts of the body and the names in Ogoni. So in this video, I'm going to teach you the parts of the body and their names in Ogoni with the spelling. So if this is our first time on the channel, please do well to like, share, and subscribe. My name is Peter Mwenganani, your host today. Thank you. Let's go to the board. So here we have Zia. Zia is hair. We have Ekobe, which is head. We have Yonsin, Kosin, which is forehead. Zia is hair. We have Ekobe, which is head. We have Yonsin, which is forehead. Here we have Den, which is eye. Den. This is the spelling of Den, eye. Then we have Bion, which is nose. Bion is nose. Bion is nose. We have Ega. Ega is mouth. Mouth is called Ega. Then we have Bep, which is jaw. This is Bep. Bep is called jaw. Bep is called jaw. Then we have Edeo, which is neck. Neck is Edeo. Edeo is called neck. Then here we have Begangana, which is soda. Here is called Begangana in Ogoni. It's called Begangana. Then we have here Benie, which is chest. Benie is called chest. Benie is called chest. Then we have here Ma, which is breast. Ma is called breast. Ma is called breast. Ma is called breast. Then here we have Bema, which is nipple. Bema is called nipple. Bema is called nipple. Here we have Ba, which is hand. Ba is called hand. Ba is called hand. Then we have Zuba, which is elbow. Here, Zuba is called elbow. Zuba, yes. Then here we have Ekaiba, which is palm. Ekaiba. This is Ekaiba in Ogoni. Palm is called Ekaiba in Ogoni. Ekaiba in Ogoni. Ekaiba in Ogoni. Then here we have Oba, which is ribs. Then here we have Bewimba, which is finger. This is Bewimba. We call this one Bewimba. That is finger. Finger is called Bewimba in Ogoni. It's called Bewimba in Ogoni. Then here we have Pion. This is Pion. Pion is called nail. Pion. Nails is called Pion in Ogoni. This is Pion. So this is Pion, which is nails. Pion. Then here we have Bu, which is stomach. Bu is called stomach. Bu is called stomach. Bu is called stomach. Share this video to your family and friends which are from Ogoni and those one which are eager to learn Ogoni. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe, like, and share. Bu is called stomach. Bu is called stomach. Ekpokoro, which is navel. Navel is called Ekpokoro. Navel is called Ekpokoro. Navel is called Ekpokoro. Then here we have Kurute. Kurute, which is waist. Waist is called Kurute. 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 Then here we have Ekpoto. This is ekpoto. Ekpoto is leg. Ekpoto is leg. Ekpoto is leg. Ekpoto is leg. Then here we have ebubui. Ebubui, which is lap. This is ebubui. Ebubuito, right? Ebubui is called lap. Ebubui is called lap. Ebubuito. Yes. Then here we have bezu, which is knee joint. This is bezu. Bezu is called knee joint. Bezu. Yes. Then here we have nowa. This one is still here. Then here we have bewito. Be, here we have ba poto. Be poto. Here we have be poto. Do you know what is be poto? Be poto is still here. Be poto is still here. Be poto is still here. Then we have what we call ekato. Ekato is your leg. Ken ekato under your palm is called ken. Ekato. Ken ekato. Ekato. This is ekato. So this is ekato, which is your foot. Ekato is your foot. Ekato is your foot. So these are the parts of the body in Ogoni language and translation in English. So today's video was about part of the body. Part of the body. Part of the body in Ogoni language. Kana language to be precise. Kana language to be precise. So here we have zia, ekobe, yonsin, den, bion, egan, bep, ede o, be gangana, be gangana, be nie, ma, be ma, ba, zumba, ekaba, ekpoba. We have bewito, we have bewito, we have pion, we have bu, we have ekpokoro, which is navel, we have kurute, which is waist, we have ekpoto, which is leg, we have ebubui, which is lap, we have bezu, which is knee joint, then we have non, then we have beekpoto. Then we have ekato, which is foot. So thank you very much. This is where I'm going to draw to conclusion of today's lesson, the Ogoni class. Thank you.